Tired of manually pumping your sprayer? The MILWAUKEE M12 handheld sprayer makes spraying effortless with its powerful battery-powered design. It delivers consistent pressure and precision, making it ideal for gardening, cleaning, and disinfecting. With multiple nozzles, you get versatility for any task. The M12 battery ensures long run time, keeping you working without interruptions. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to efficiency. Brighten up your workspace with the RYOBI 18-volt hybrid magnetic LED task light. This compact powerhouse provides ultra-bright illumination with multiple brightness settings. Its magnetic base and hybrid power options let you stick it anywhere or run it on battery or AC power. Perfect for garages, job sites, or emergency situations, it keeps your hands free while working. Never struggle with poor lighting again. Power on the go has never been easier with the Makita battery charging case. This portable powerhouse lets you charge your batteries wherever you need them. Designed like a rugged suitcase, it protects and powers up your tools with Makita efficiency. Whether on the job site or in remote areas, it's a must-have for continuous workflow. Keep your tools juiced up and stay productive. Installing flooring? Meet the Roberts Power-Lok Extendable Floor Roller, your ultimate sidekick for flawless floors. Its extendable handle gives you leverage and comfort, while the segmented rollers apply even pressure. Perfect for vinyl, carpet, and laminate, it ensures a professional finish every time. No more uneven adhesion or air pockets, just smooth, solid results. Get ready to roll like a pro. The Ronix 8679 20-volt brushless cordless rotary hammer delivers heavy-duty performance in a compact design. Its 3.5 joules impact energy smashes through concrete, while the brushless motor provides efficiency and durability. The ergonomic grip and anti-vibration tech make long jobs more comfortable. Whether drilling, chiseling, or hammering, this tool is built to dominate. Power, precision, and portability in one beast. MILWAUKEE M18 Rotary Laser Level. Designed for large-scale projects, this tool ensures perfect leveling and alignment every time. With a durable, impact-resistant build, it withstands the toughest job sites. The long-range visibility and high accuracy make it a must-have for construction and surveying. Whether indoors or outdoors, get the perfect level with minimal effort. Work smarter, not harder. Say goodbye to stubborn nails with the Crescent Indexing Nail Puller. This game-changing tool features an indexing head that adjusts for the perfect pulling angle. Its durable steel construction grips nails tightly for effortless removal. Whether you're reclaiming wood or fixing mistakes, this tool does the job with precision. No more bent nails or split wood, just clean and easy extraction. A must-have for any toolbox. Why switch bits when you can switch drivers? The Works Nitro Switch Driver 2.0 lets you instantly rotate between two drill bits. With a simple flip, you go from drilling to driving, saving time and hassle. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to use in tight spaces. High torque and variable speed mean power at your fingertips. A perfect tool for pros and DIYers alike. Who says work can't be fun? The Makita cordless job site speaker MR014G delivers premium sound wherever you go. Built tough for job sites, it's dust and water resistant, ready for any conditions. Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream music wirelessly, keeping the energy up all day. Long battery life means uninterrupted tunes while you work. Crank up the volume and get the job done with style. Hammering just got smarter with the LED Auto Hammer. This innovative tool does the pounding for you, delivering precise and powerful hammer strikes automatically. No more sore arms or inaccurate hits. It gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Ideal for nailing in tight spaces where swinging a hammer is difficult. Lightweight yet powerful, it's a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Faster, safer, and more accurate hammering at the push of a button. Join wood like a pro with the Kreg 90 Degrees Pocket Hole Driver. This clever tool makes pocket hole joinery easier than ever, reaching tight corners with ease. The right-angle design ensures secure and precise connections in tricky spots. Whether you're building furniture or framing, it guarantees strong, professional results. Compatible with Kreg pocket hole screws, it's a game-changer for woodworkers. Say hello to effortless, tight-fitting joints. Draining water just got a whole lot easier with the MILWAUKEE M12 HydroPass brushed stick water pump. Its innovative design removes water quickly and efficiently without priming. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for draining basements, pools, or flooded job sites. The M12 battery ensures cordless convenience, letting you work anywhere. Say goodbye to buckets and manual pumps. This tool gets the job done effortlessly. Blast away leaves with the Works Nitro 40-volt Pro Leaf Jet Leaf Blower. Its ultra-powerful airspeed clears debris with ease while remaining lightweight and comfortable to use. With dual speed control, you get versatility for different tasks. The compact design and brushless motor deliver efficiency and longer battery life. Whether in your yard or on a job site, cleaning up has never been this fast. Power, precision, and convenience in one leaf-blasting machine. The Makita 76mm cordless belt sander is built for serious sanding power without the hassle of cords. Its high-performance motor and automatic speed adjustment ensures smooth, controlled operation on any surface. The dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Whether you're finishing woodwork or smoothing out rough edges, this sander makes quick work of tough jobs. With Makita's XGT battery system, you get consistent power and longer runtime, a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Handling large tiles or glass panels, the BHUI LVT battery suction cup is your best friend. This powerful vacuum suction cup grips onto smooth surfaces with ease, ensuring a firm hold without strain. The built-in rechargeable battery provides consistent suction, giving you confidence when maneuvering heavy materials. It's perfect for professionals in flooring, glazing, or renovation work. No more struggling with awkward lifts. Just place, press, and secure. Get precision placement without the risk of dropping your materials. Need to clear out flooded areas or remove standing water? The Karcher SP22000 submersible pump does the job effortlessly. Equipped with a dirt level sensor, it automatically adjusts for maximum efficiency. It can pump up to 22,000 liters per hour, making it a powerhouse for basements, pools, or construction sites. The ceramic sliding ring seal ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With an adjustable base, you can drain water down to the last drop. Say goodbye to water troubles with this ultra-reliable pump. If you're into woodworking, the Lumberjack Tool's 10 inches draw knife is a game changer. This precision tool allows you to shave, shape, and strip wood with ease. The dual wooden handles provide a secure grip for controlled carving. Whether you're making furniture, shaping logs, or crafting wooden decorations, this draw knife delivers smooth, even cuts. Built from durable high-carbon steel, it stays razor-sharp through countless projects. A must-have for traditional woodworkers and carving enthusiasts. Framing with metal studs? The Tolson stud crimper locks them together without the need for screws or rivets. Simply squeeze, and the tool punches a secure connection for solid framing. The ergonomic handles provide comfort and leverage for repeated use. Ideal for drywall installers and metal stud framers, it speeds up the job and eliminates loose fasteners. Durable, compact, and efficient, this crimper is a must-have for professionals. Say goodbye to drilling and hello to quick, secure connections. For precise tile adhesive application, the BHUI adhesive spreader is a pro's best-kept secret. Its sturdy notch design ensures even adhesive distribution for a flawless tile installation. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during large projects. Built for efficiency, it saves time and ensures professional results with every use. Whether you're laying floors, walls, or decorative tiles, this spreader makes the job smoother. No more uneven adhesive, just perfect tile placement. Measuring distances has never been easier. The Lufkin Compact 4-inch measuring wheel delivers accurate results with a smooth, rolling motion. Perfect for construction sites, landscaping, and surveying, this tool provides precise measurements in feet or meters. The compact, foldable design makes it easy to transport and store. With a sturdy wheel and ergonomic handle, it's built for all terrains. Get quick, reliable distance readings in just a few steps. Cutting precise grooves in walls is effortless with the Tolson Wall Chaser machine. Its dual-blade system creates clean channels for wiring or piping with minimal dust. The powerful 1,500 watts motor ensures deep, precise cuts through concrete, brick, and plaster. Adjustable cutting depth lets you customize the groove size to fit your project. The ergonomic design and dust extraction port make for cleaner and easier operation. If you're an electrician or plumber, this is a must-have tool. Locating studs has never been this easy. The Craig Magnetic Stud Finder detects metal fasteners in walls, making stud finding effortless. No batteries required, just slide it along the surface, and the magnet sticks when it finds a stud. Perfect for hanging shelves, mounting TVs, or securing fixtures without guessing. Compact and pocket-sized, it's a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. Say goodbye to missed marks and hello to precision. Organize your tools like a pro with the RYOBI 3-piece rail system. Designed for ultimate workspace efficiency, it keeps your gear accessible and neatly stored. The modular system lets you arrange accessories exactly how you need them. Sturdy mounting ensures your tools stay in place, even in busy workshops. Whether it's drills, bits, or accessories, everything has a home. Keep your workspace clean and your tools within reach. Tack materials in seconds with the Rapid Pro R311 Hammer Tacker. Designed for fast, high-impact stapling, this tool is perfect for roofing, insulation, or upholstery work. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Built with a heavy-duty steel body, it withstands tough job site conditions. Reloading is quick and easy, so you stay productive. A must-have for professionals who need speed and reliability. For industrial-grade floor preparation, the Trelawney TCG 250 floor grinder is unmatched. Its high-powered motor grinds concrete, removes coatings, and polishes surfaces with ease. The adjustable handle and dust extraction system ensure comfortable and clean operation. Built for durability, it withstands heavy-duty use on large surfaces. Whether you're preparing floors for epoxy or smoothing rough concrete, this grinder gets the job done. Power and precision in one robust machine. Forget traditional chainsaws. The Ronix jaw saw is a safer, smarter cutting tool. Its enclosed blade design prevents accidental contact, making it ideal for trimming branches and cutting logs. The powerful motor and auto tension system ensure smooth, effortless operation. With its lightweight design and extendable reach, cutting overhead branches is easier than ever. Perfect for homeowners and landscapers looking for safety and efficiency. The jaw saw makes tree maintenance a breeze. Copy any angle with precision using the Bora tool Mitorix Angle Duplicator. Simply lock in the angle and transfer it directly to your workpiece for perfect cuts. Ideal for trim, molding, and carpentry, it eliminates guesswork and ensures accuracy. Durable and easy to use, it's a must-have for professionals and DIYers. Say goodbye to measuring mistakes and wasted materials. Get the perfect angle every time. Tear through old flooring, adhesive, and stubborn buildup with the QEP Demolition Scraper. Its long handle and durable blade provide leverage for tough scraping jobs. Perfect for removing tile, carpet, and vinyl flooring with ease. The reversible blade extends tool life, saving you money. Whether you're renovating or demolishing, this scraper is built for heavy-duty performance. Get the job done faster with less effort. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.